Okay, and welcome to this video on do you need carbs to build muscle? So here's the role of carbs in muscular development. Carbohydrates are simply seen primarily as an energy source because that's what it is, right? When it comes to building muscle, protein usually takes the spotlight with recommendations of about 1 to 2 grams per body weight. However, overlooking the importance of carbs might be a misstep for those wanting to actually build muscle and improve their workout and recovery, etc. So why do carbs matter? It's energy for your workouts. It's energy for in general. So when you work out, it requires a significant amount of energy, right? Carbs serve as the primary energy source for these high intensity activities, allowing you to push harder and longer during your training sessions. That's why sometimes, for some of you, I will tell you to incorporate an intra workout, which is just carbs. It also works for glycogen replenishment. So consuming adequate carbohydrates ensure that your glycogen, the stored form of glucose in your muscle and your liver, remains plentiful. Glycogen is a critical energy reserve, both anaerobic and aerobic exercises, and it is available or its availability can directly impact your performance and endurance. And number 3, prevention of muscle loss. So low carb and carb-free diets might pose a severe risk for muscle catabolism. Without adequate glycogen storage, the body may start to use protein as an alternative energy source, potentially leading to muscle loss over time. So how to incorporate carbs for building muscle? Your timing. Focus on consuming a mix of carbohydrates and protein before and after workouts to fuel your session. You also want to primarily focus on a good pre-workout meal with quick digesting carbohydrates. And quality matters. So opt for nutrient-dense carbohydrate sources such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, blah, 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 fiber, which provide additional vitamins and minerals necessary for overall health and muscle function. And number 3, balance is key. So while carbohydrates are essential, balancing them with adequate protein intake and healthy fats is obviously critical for overall dietary balance and muscle health. So carbs play a critical role in building muscle, not only providing necessary energy for your workouts, but also aiding and recovery for preventing muscle from being used as an energy source. For anyone looking to build muscle, incorporating a balanced amount of high quality carbs along with the adequate protein intake is a strategy that can lead for a more effective workout, a better recovery, and ultimately lead to significant muscle gains.